If you are planning a 2025 lump sum from your 401k, the fastest way to save real money is to pick the right trigger. NUA or the rule of 55. 2 levers, 1 goal, less tax. Here is the 1-minute decoder. Inside your plan, employer stock is 2 piles. Basis is what the plan paid. Appreciation is the growth. NUA taxes basis as ordinary income in the year. You distribute the stock to a taxable account. The appreciation becomes long-term capital gains when you sell later. The rule of 55 is different. If you separate from your employer and or after the year you turn 55, you can take money from that plan without the 10% additional tax. Ordinary income still applies, but the penalty is gone. Now the quick decision flow. Do you need cash before 59 and a half? If yes and you separated at 55 or later, keep the funds in the plan and use the rule of 55 for the cash you need. Next, is your employer stock worth 2 to 4 times its basis? If yes, NUA is a strong candidate. Because you shift a big chunk from ordinary rates to capital gains rates, you can also combine them. Use the rule of 55 for this year's living money. Use NUA for the appreciated stock on a clean lump sum distribution. Sequence it across 2 tax years if you can. Let's try simple numbers. Your employer stock is $300,000. Basis is $100,000. That means $200,000 of NUA. With a straight rollover, every future dollar is ordinary income when withdrawn. At a 24% marginal rate, that $200,000 could mean $48,000 of tax someday. With NUA, this year you report $100,000 of ordinary income for the basis. Because you separated at 55, the additional 10% tax on that portion does not apply. When you sell the stock later, the $200,000 of appreciation is long-term capital gains. At 15%, that math is about $30,000. The spread versus ordinary can be close to $18,000. Your state and the net investment income rules can move the number, but the mechanism is the same. Timing matters. December versus January can change which year absorbs the ordinary income from the basis, and which year carries the capital gains. If you can use 2 calendar years, you usually get more room. Execution is where people win or lose. Ask your plan 3 things. Can you distribute employer stock in kind to a taxable brokerage as part of a lump sum? Will the 1099R show NUA in box 6? Which distribution code will apply given separation at 55 or later? Get the answers in writing at your brokerage. Confirm how lots will appear so you can sell in stages. Do not roll to an IRA if you still need the rule of 55. Watch plan loans. Keep Roth dollars separate. Do not let market risk wipe out tax savings. Set a simple sell rule and stick to it. Here is your 15-minute sprint. Write down fair market value, basis, and cash needed this year. If you qualify for the rule of 55, decide how much cash to take from the plan. If your stock shows strong appreciation, plan a NUA lump sum and schedule the sale in 1 or 2 tranches. Email the plan to confirm in kind stock, box 6 NUA, and the distribution code. Put one hold on your calendar for December or January, then send the summary to your CPA for a quick check. This is education, not tax advice. But the playbook is simple. Pick the right lever, match character to calendar, keep your paperwork clean, and keep more of what you earned.